Best deals.
1. Corner Protector. Designed for easy removal when your child outgrows it, our table edge protector ensures no stripping or staining on your furniture. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut Breaker. The hardened edge cutting blade is made using grade material with 6 mm thickness and 130 mm length. The water collecting bowl is made up of solid hot rolled steel having 4 mm thickness and 135 mm diameter. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Foldable Fruit Stand. Perfect for any occasion, this multi-tier platter elegantly displays fruits, snacks, dips, and more, enhancing your kitchen's organization and presentation. The twist and fold mechanism allows the platter to collapse into a compact size. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Canister. Offers ample storage space for a variety of items. Use it to store and organize a wide range of kitchen essentials such as coffee beans, tea leaves, sugar, flour, pasta, snacks, and more. The stainless steel lid with a silicone gasket creates an airtight seal, preserving freshness. The shape allows for efficient use of your kitchen or pantry shelves. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Microfiber Mop. Perfect for wood, stone, tile, marble, granite, vinyl, and laminate floors. This Bonner microfiber pad works seamlessly with spray mops and flat mops for wet and dry cleaning. Advanced microfiber technology traps dirt, dust, and bacteria without scratching your surfaces. Non-sticky and safe for delicate finishes and polished wooden floors. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Towel Holder. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and finished with a 7-layer powder coating for enhanced durability. This rust-proof towel rack ensures long-lasting performance, even in humid bathroom conditions. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopper. Made from thickened, BPA-free premium plastic, with sharp 420 stainless steel blades that won't blunt, bend, or rust. It is dishwasher friendly for easy cleaning. Simply press the blade handle and move it back and forth to quickly chop fruit and vegetables. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Oil Sprayer. Switch easily between a fine mist spray and a controlled pour, perfect for various cooking needs like air frying, sautéing, baking, and more. Bottle holds plenty of olive oil, avocado oil, or other cooking oils to reduce the need for frequent refills. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic that's safe for everyday kitchen use and easy to clean. Use the mist function to evenly coat food or pans without excess oil. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Casserole. Crafted with a durable, rust-resistant interior that ensures long-lasting performance, maintains hygiene, resists stains, and is completely safe. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Tea Infuser. It is lightweight without compromising on the quality of the stainless steel and is perfect for everyday use. Tea Infuser is BPA-free, has food-grade material and is eco-friendly. Perfect for quick brewing of tea in small batch. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dishwashing Rag. Made from high-quality materials, these wire dishwashing rag are designed for long-lasting use and can be washed and reused multiple times. The unique wire construction effectively scrubs away tough stains and grime, leaving surfaces spotlessly clean. These clothes are safe for use on delicate surfaces, ensuring scratch-free cleaning without damaging your cookware or appliances. Dishcloth is ideal for wet and dry cleaning in the kitchen, sinks, pots, pans, ovens and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Fry Pan. The honeycomb design protects the non-stick coating from direct contact with metal utensils, making it scratch-resistant and safe to use with metal spatulas. Enjoy worry-free cooking. This pan is perfect for frying crispy cutlets, sautéing vegetables, searing meats to perfection, or preparing quick one-pan meals. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Glass Jars. Made from premium borosilicate glass, they're incredibly durable and can handle extreme temperatures in your kitchen. Perfect for all your storage needs. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Versatile kitchen storage, ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Coffee grinder. Crafted with premium aluminum alloy material, is with classic hand coffee grinder design. It features a tube-like grinder and a metal crank with a polished wooden grip, giving it a look that is both timeless and elegant. The grinder is finished with a unique texture. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dough cutter. 7-wheel cutter by THW for even cuts, uniform portions and to save time when cutting brownies, cookies, cake. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Fry pan. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage organizer. The stainless steel rods expand from 50 to 68 centimeters, allowing for customization based on your space. Each side of the frame features 2 screw holes for optimal height installation. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cleaning mop. This mop bucket feature eliminates the need for heavy lifting by providing a water outlet stopper for efficient and clean water drainage. The wheel mop bucket may be easily moved about thanks to its attached wheels, which reduce strain when cleaning big areas. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers. Eco-friendly, sustainable, and lightweight green space container box with secure lids that are impact resistant to withstand everyday use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Trash bin. 4 flexible ways to use, install it the way that fits your routine. You can hang the dustbin inside the cabinet to keep it hidden, outside the cabinet for quick access while cooking, mount it on the wall with the included self-adhesive hook, or simply place it on the floor or counter. Moms love the flexibility to use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or even in kids' rooms without needing any tools or drilling. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Idli cooker. High-grade whistle provided for better pressure control with resistant to corrosion. This idli maker comes with 6 plates, each having 4 cavities. You can cook 24 idlis at a time. Thicker gauge for high durability. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Colander. Made with quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant, corrosion-free, and built to last for years. Engineered with finely perforated holes. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Sealing machine. Mini sealing machine with USB charging, perfect for home, office and travel. Airtight sealing plus built-in cutter for easy packet opening. Magnetic back design, stick it on your fridge or metal surface for quick access. Fun, compact, and lightweight sealer machine for everyday use. Keeps food fresh longer. Seals snacks, chips, biscuits, frozen food and more to lock in freshness. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Canister. The material used in food storage container is high-quality wooden which keeps all the item in the canister safe enough from outside materials. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Smoothie maker. Handy countertop appliance that can pulverizes the toughest fruits, vegetables, seeds, and superfoods for nutritious protein shakes, nut butters and green smoothies. The unique bullet shape of the cups is the secret to the effectiveness of the NutriBullet. It comes with 2 short cups, 532 ml and a tall cup, 709 ml with laden seasoning cap. Compact and consumes less space and mixes you can drink from the same container you blend in as the blending jar doubles as a travel cup. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Grill sandwich maker. Spacious non-stick grill plates, accommodates up to 2 large sandwiches at once, easy to clean and maintain. Powerful and convenient 800W heating element delivers faster grilling with crisp, evenly cooked sandwiches. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Ice cube molds. Easy to use, easy release ice cube trays for ice cube bin for freezer to storage reusable ice cubes. Ice cube trays with laid design ice chip silicone freezer molds. Small cube ice trays prevent spills and excess water from freezing. Hold the ice tray with both hands, then twist the ice cube tray and push outward from the cube ice compartment for easier ice cube removal. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Chopper. Fastest or safest, easiest way to chop, dice. Large detachable container, easy to clean and can also be store vegetable and fruit in refrigerating. Comes with high quality stainless steel blade. Chop or dice in one swift motion. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Brush. Provides a flat surface for easy clean, cleans better and lasts longer. Easy to hold and use. Unique triangular shape, easily reaches corners. Evenly spread alloys particles on scrubber for effective cleaning of tough stains. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cast iron fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron skillet is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Sink organizer. Crafted from high-grade rust-proof steel that resists water damage, stains, and daily wear. Strong enough to hold full bottles, yet sleek for modern kitchens. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Chopper. Perfect for daily use and fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Its lightweight and cordless space-saving build makes it especially suitable for small or modular kitchens. Chopper comes with a built-in safety mechanism that prevents operation until the lid is locked properly in the given slots and the lid button is pressed. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Furniture lifter. Easily move heavy furniture. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Cheese grater. Perfect for effortlessly shredding cheese, carrots, and ginger with its stainless steel blades. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Trolley. Rotating kitchen trolley is equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels. This trolley glides effortlessly across your kitchen floor, allowing you to reposition it as needed. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it combines durability with a modern aesthetic, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Container. Elevate your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics with our iconic colorful tea sugar coffee container set of 3. These precision-crafted canisters are designed to enhance both form and function. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Toilet brush. The brush head of the toilet brush is made of rubber-like material, which is soft and can touch the surface of the toilet well. It can be easily wiped and it is easy to clean all parts of the toilet, including the corner of the toilet, the gap between the toilet, the edge of the toilet, and the place where the toilet is very difficult to reach. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Peeler. This peeler is equipped with a high-quality stainless steel 420J2 blade that delivers sharp performance for smooth peeling. It is rust-proof, durable, and perfect for daily kitchen use. The strong blade makes it an ideal peeler for vegetables and fruits. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Shelves. The Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Kitchen knife. This amazing knife set comes handy with day-to-day kitchen job. Made ergonomically in stainless steel with steel handles, each of them provide a proper grip. 1 stainless steel tomato knife, 1 stainless steel steak knife, 1 stainless steel multipurpose knife, 1 stainless steel carving knife, 1 stainless steel vegetable peeler, 1 PETACENTISECOND stainless steel stand. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Eraser sponge. These magic eraser sponges utilize advanced nanotech melamine foam to remove tough stains on walls, kitchen surfaces, and appliances with ease. Designed to clean with just water, these sponges eliminate the need for harsh chemicals, ensuring safe and sustainable cleaning. Made for versatile use, these sponges clean walls, kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, glass, shoes, and more without leaving scratches. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Burner gas stove. Innovative flame failure device automatically shuts off the gas supply if the flame goes out due to a gust of wind or spillage, providing safety to you and your loved ones. Start cooking in seconds. Our superior auto ignition system eliminates the need for external igniters, allowing you to ignite your burners quickly with just the push of a button. Product link is given in the 42nd link.